Okay guys, quick question here. This is my Traxxas vxl3s. I've got the battery plugged in and I go to turn it on and I get nothing. So you'd think the button was all messed up, but I unplug it and I'll plug it back in, and it turns on. Alright, that's fine. But if I turn it off with the button, which it will do, there you go, and I go to turn it back on, I get nothing. Won't turn on. I would like to calibrate my remote, but it won't let me. Now, if I unplug it again and turn it back on and plug it back in, and I hold, sometimes when I hold down the button, it'll go through the sequence. See? Goes to LiPo. So the button works, but once I turn it off, it won't let me turn it on again. The only way it turns on is if I unplug it and plug it back in, and then go through the process. But I'd like to calibrate my remote, and it will not let me do that. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, guys.